Won't be too long. He won't have no breasticles. Fake singers, yes. Even ones that's been around for a long time, like Beyonce, Taylor Swift. Like, I would literally laugh in your face. If somebody literally tried to get me to... I turned down Disneyland as a child, okay? Don't think I won't turn down their fucking ass. Shit. I'm set in my ways. Shit. Got me booked up. Now, Teddy, I love you. But if Tim McGraw came knocking and then I had a chance to go see Tim McGraw for free, yeah, I'm going to ask if I can bring you with me. Because, baby, he's a real bad boy. But a real good man. Ugh. Faith Hill was one lucky thing. Shit, y'all. Sorry, I'm a little high. That's when I start being stupid. Hey, Rosie Posey. How's y'all's day? You having a good day? Good day, good night, good evening, a good midday. What the fuck was that? Oh, shit, fuck. Well, there went my drink. Rosie's gonna have the time of her life. Oh, you smoke? You smoke? You smoke? What the fuck is that? Oh, shit. Oh, I was coming. Thank you, honey. Thank you.
All right, you have one today.
My butt back in my mouth. I gotta feed my cats. This girl was on a money making mission. Let me tell you. I hear you, Turd. Just give it a second. Hold on, let me just turn the camera off. You can just hear me. Here. Stop chewing on my socks and chew on this. Here. Chew on that. Thank you. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. Big hand. Which one do you want, Melody? Do you want this one? Or do you want this one? Which one? This one or this one? That one? Okay. What you jumping for? What you jumping for? You happy? Now this is mine. You can't have my crackers. You can't have my crackers. And back outside we go.